Hello, I'm Ian from Group 1. I'll be talking about phallus multicolor, my guru. So, a quick brief. I'll be talking about the phallus multicolor first, then the Sem1 models, then more about the phallus multicolor, then the sketch model and the final models. So, first about the phallus multicolor, it has bell-shaped cap, lacy skirt, stock, and vulva. What I'm focusing on was the lacy skirt and the cap. So, for the lacy skirt, there is brightly colored, which is orange, neck-like structure, and hangs down from just below the cap of the fungus. It has openings that varies in size, and the skirt is soft and flimsy and a bit flexible. So this is the first geometry that I extracted from the skirt, which I use triangle for the first part. Then this is the life cycle of the phallus multicolor. This shows how it grows. So this is when the cap expands and the skirt comes out. So I'm going to be taking inspiration from this to do for my final model. So this is the front view and top view of one of my sketch models from assignment 1, which is very ugly. And it was me trying out the tissue to see the materials, but it was a terrible material, so I learned to not use that material. And this was the sketch model planning for assignment 1 and the assignment 1 model, where the inside structure showcases a pattern layer, which is bendable, which is inspired from the soft flexible feature of the skirt, and paper used for the white part inspired from the skirt is softer like and flimsy and try to mimic how the cap grows. So right, for the second part, I decided to use pentagons instead of simplifying the shape. So process sketches is something like this where I try out different kinds of shapes and ways to link them together. As for model, this is my sketch model. So number 1, I tried to recreate the sketch I did on the previous slide to try to get a form and did not really get it. For model 2, I tried to use one material and it looks very nice, but it's not what I was looking for. Number 3, I'm just trying out the materials. Number 4 and 5 is just ways and I'm going to link the model, and I chose number 4. So for my final model, I decided to integrate various elements from the phallus multicolor, which includes the expansion of cap during growth and a simplified skirt pattern, and the use of two different materials with different densities for the skirt and cap. So this is the final model, the section of cap. Through observation, I also found out that there's a very unique shape of a part of a skirt where it appears to be self-supporting with big holes at the bottom, even though it's not, resembling arcs. I implemented what I saw to my final model where the cap provides support, the brown area provides support, and the skirt features an arc bottom which curves outward, where there is a mix of expansion of cap and skirt arc actress. From the top view, this is the top view, bottom view, side view, and another side view. This shows that the brown area is made of a thicker material and a more solid material, while the white section uses a thinner and a more flexible material, which reflects the inspiration from the skirt and cap of the phallus multicolor. The white area also features a pentagon pattern, which is extracted from simplifying the previous skirt object pattern. And the holes allow air to pass through, which is similar to how they enable wind to carry sands to attract insects. So, yeah, showing this is some perspective views of my model. As shown from the perspective views, these are the underside of the model, which resembles that of the phallus multicolor, like similar to this picture. So in conclusion, the final model is replicates the cap and skirt of phallus multicolor. It draws inspiration from its growth patterns and varying material densities, where the brown area and the white area showcases the different thickness of materials, which represents the skirt and cap, where the skirt is lighter and the cap is heavier. And the exterior of the model looks like it's growing even though it's static, so it looks flexible and still moving even though it's not moving, which shows it is drawn by the inspiration from the expansion of cat during growth. And furthermore, I made this the skirt area like arc like with holes at the bottom for entrance, which makes the model elevator where the thicker material provides support. This will allow the model to stand independently by itself while maintaining a flexible appearance. And that's all. Thank you so much for listening.